The enigmatic MacGuffin, catalyst of intrigue in script narratives. In the intricate dance of script writing, the MacGuffin emerges as a mysterious and compelling force, a plot device that propels characters forward, inciting intrigue and shaping the very essence of the narrative. By unraveling its significance, exploring its various forms, and examining its impact on characters and plot dynamics, we seek to illuminate the artistry of leveraging the MacGuffin to craft compelling and engaging stories. Join me as we delve into the nuances of incorporating this enigmatic element into script narratives. Let's unlock the secrets of the MacGuffin and discover how it can captivate audiences and drive unforgettable storytelling. Stay tuned. The enigma lives on. The MacGuffin, a narrative device that ignites curiosity, drives characters, and weaves intricate tales. It's a powerful catalyst that scriptwriters can wield with precision, captivating audiences and leaving an indelible mark on the narrative landscape. Crafting stories that dance with intrigue, propelled by the mysterious allure of the MacGuffin, is an art form that continues to thrive. So let's embrace the enigma and unlock the secrets that lie within. The journey awaits.
Let us like, follow, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, RCJ1561. Thank you.